Hi folks, this is Cody Smith here at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 2012 Chrysler Town & Country Touring L. Stock number is CP15647T. It is a gray in color. The fog lights. Turn signals here in the mirror as well. This vehicle does have stow and go. Does come equipped with our dealer warranty. All power windows, doors, locks, seats. Does have leather seats. It's a black leather. Here's your cup holders. 12 volt down there. Some extra cup holders here. Your radio. Got your hands free, so you can turn your cruise control on. Your phone. You can call people. Your radio. Really nice unit. Again, this vehicle does come with stow and go seating, so you can put the seats in the floor. Plenty of storage. Your back seat for you. The thing is push button. Your backup camera there. Again, so for your road trips, you got that. You got a little flashlight right here if you needed it. The seats just fold back if you like them, or keep them up. Tires seem to be almost brand new. Again, folks, this is Cody Smith here at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 2012 Chrysler Town & Country Touring L. Stock number is CP15647T. You can visit us online at www.sherrychrysler.com, or you can give us a call at 937-778-0830. Ask for Cody.